Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion Illustration with Pratima. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so you never miss my video. As I have seen in my comment box that many of you liked my embroidery hoop hanging on my wall. Thank you so much. By the way, this was made by my creative hand. So I am making series of videos on elements and principles of design in fashion. In my previous video I have discussed about lines, and in today's video I will be discussing about colors.
So the colors is most important elements in fashion designing. It plays a very big role in drawing fashion illustration. Color makes design attractive and lively. Without color, design will be dead. Color is the first thing we notice about the garment. It is the first thing that we notice when we look at someone also. So let's look at the color wheel. The color wheel has 12 distinct colors. These 12 colors can be classified in 3 categories: primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary colors. The primary colors are red, yellow and blue. They can be mixed together to create any other color. Every color derives from a mixture of 3 primary colors and no colors can be mixed to create them. Secondary color. These are the combination of 2 primary colors equally mixed together. By mixing equal part of red and yellow, you will get orange. By mixing yellow and blue, you will get green color. And by mixing blue and red, you will get violet color. Tertiary color. When primary and secondary color combine equally, they create third class color called tertiary color, which is blue violet, red orange, yellow green and blue green. There are 12 colors in color wheel. They are yellow orange, red orange, red violet, blue green, yellow green and yellow. Color wheel is divided in 2 parts, warm color and cool color. The primary colors such as red and yellow is considered as warm color because of their effect on us. This probably through our association with warm or hot sun rays and also the heat of fire and danger. Orange color is also considered as warm color because it is obtained by mixing of red and yellow. Cool color are represented by blue, green and violet. Although green and violet are the mixture of cool and warm color, they are generally classified as cool color. The color on the color wheel can also be described by its tint, tone and shade. Tint is the color adding with white, tone is the color adding with gray, and shade is the color adding with black. There are different color schemes in color wheel. They are complementary, split complementary, triadic, tetradic, analogous, monochromatic and achromatic. Complementary color scheme. Complementary is the color opposite each other on the color wheel, like red and green, yellow and violet, blue and orange. Split complementary. Instead of using the complementary color, we use color next to it. We know the red color is complementary color of green, so the split complementary scheme of red would be blue green and yellow green. Triadic color scheme. Triadic color scheme are 3 colors evenly spaced apart from each other on the color wheel, like blue, yellow and red are the triadic color scheme. Tetradic color scheme. This scheme uses 4 colors evenly spaced on the color wheel, like yellow green, yellow orange, blue violet and red violet. Analogous color scheme. This scheme share a common color on color wheel like blue, blue-violet and blue-green. Monochromatic color scheme. This color scheme is made by using the color of color wheel by adding tints, tones and shades on it. Here I have made doodle sketch using monochromatic color scheme. I have used here red color and its tints, tones and shades. Achromatic color scheme. This color scheme is same as monochromatic but not using the color of color wheel. Achromatic is made by adding black and white, which is neutral gray color. Have you ever catch yourself admiring someone's outfit? Maybe you have also complimented someone for his or her dressing, like you are looking beautiful in red gown, like that. Did you notice the same garment that look beautiful on one person can look dreadful on another? We can't imagine life without color. How do you feel when you see a rainbow in the sky? And you know what? That the 7th chakra of our system, which refer to the concentrated energy center of the body, is also related with the 7 colors of the rainbow. Colors has the power to evoke every types of feelings. Likely, black was the color of mourning. Luckily, wearing black is no longer just to respect the dead. It is perfectly acceptable to wear it at any time. Black symbolizes power, strength, and elegance. It is the most wearable color by both men and women. Blue color. Along with black, the most popular color is blue. Blue color depicts calmness and it boosts confidence. Red color has a great implication in today's fashion trend. It depicts love. Purple color reflects spirituality, wealth, luxury, and royalty. Bright yellow is the color of sunshine. It represents cheerfulness, freshness, and energy. There were different aspects about colors in different countries. Dressing in a right color can improve your self-esteem and confidence. Fashion forecasters predict the color for the upcoming season. Every year, on the first day of December, the Pantone Color Institute announced the new color of the year. For years, Pantone has helped fashion designer and brand forecast through color scheme to cultivate and desire for trendy new looks. Pantone color of the year 2021 is Ultimate Grey and Illuminating Yellow.